Gaming PCs can boast of all the hardware it has, but can it go beyond just being a PC? Hi, Carl here with the Lenovo Legion Slim 5i, today's good tech from Wallace Tech. Here's what I think about this brand's gaming laptop that I have had for a couple of weeks now and why I think it's a stellar choice for you, especially for first-time gaming laptop users like me. First off, let's talk about the design. The Lenovo Legion Slim 5i is a serious looker with its storm gray aluminum chassis. Slim, sleek, and surprisingly lightweight for the hardware it packs. I mean, just look at this beauty when it's closed. It's like unwrapping a tech gift right in your hands. Now, what really caught my eye were the ports. With ventilation on the sides, a switch to disable the webcam, I mean privacy first, right? And check this out. Dual USB Type-C ports supporting DisplayPort and up to 140 watts power delivery charging. Practical and well thought out. Even more practical are the USB Type-A, Ethernet, HDMI, and proprietary power ports all placed at the back. They certainly won't distract you when you want to take the best shot out of the game you always wanted to play. Opening it up, we've got a 16-inch WQXGA display. The laptop features stunning resolution, anti-glare coating, G-Sync technology, and a buttery-smooth 165Hz refresh rate. Gaming and creative work just hit on a whole new level. The trackpad's more reachable on the left side, and the keyboard spacing gives that easy travel whenever you are typing or playing your favorite game. It's also nice to see that it comes with RGB lighting too, which you can modify to fit your current mood. Under the hood, it's certainly a beast. It features a 13th Gen Intel Core i7, 32GB of DDR5 RAM, and 1TB of solid-state drive for lightning-fast performance. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, pure gaming bliss. Trust me, I've put it through its paces with some AAA titles, all flawless. Oh, and let's talk about the cooling. The Legion Cold Front 5.0 keeps things cool even during intense gaming sessions, and I absolutely like it. Now beyond the specs, here's what I think hits the jackpot. Lenovo's not just selling a laptop, it's selling a commitment to keep your tech in tip-top shape. That's where the Lenovo Legion Ultimate Support has truly impressed me. You've got 24/7 access to gamer-centric experts who can help you with the smallest of concerns, such as configuring your gaming settings, troubleshooting minor stuff, or even the more complex issues that they arrange to be fixed right at the comfort of your home. On-site visits to fix your laptop, that's next-level customer care, and it matters a lot for a consumer like me. In conclusion, the Lenovo Legion Slim 5i has truly blown me away. Stellar performance, a dazzling display, and that sleek design, it's a dream come true for anyone who wants a laptop that can keep up with both work and play. So if you're on the market looking for a premium gaming and productivity laptop, the Lenovo Legion Slim 5i is a solid choice. This has been an incredible first gaming laptop experience for me, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to check out the links below for more details of our review or visit our website, wallacetech.com. Until next time, stay techy with all the good tech from Wallace Tech.